Assalamu-Alaikum friends, and welcome to my channel program for hack. And if you like my content, then you can subscribe. If you don't like, then don't worry about this. And in this video I am going to show you more about Telethon plugins. So first of all, let's roll the intro. Okay, so move to our topic. So if you have not accessed my this playlist, then you can access my playlist from my channel. And the first thing I want to show you is Telethon Documentation. You can copy this link, I will put in the description, and you can also search for Telethon Docs. It will give you the documentation. Okay, you can read this and leave this because this is not meaningful for us. So what I will show you in this video is about getting information of yourself, getting information of your account like this, and more about this, but I think we don't have much time. So you have learned about regular expression, and I hope you will learn on your own by using regular expression more and more. So we will put here a command like info, and let's say it info only, or maybe info me, or you can put a dot here. Dot info. So I will put here nothing. Let's get our info using client dot get underscore me. This is a function used to get information, and after I get my information, I will print this information, or not print this information, I will stringify and reply to this message. Okay, me dot stringify, I think it's a function, so I have to put brackets here, and I run my user board. And now hopefully if I put dot info, it is not okay, it's asking me for await this query. Okay, because if you are using a synic function, okay, if you don't know about synchronization, so if you are using a synic function, then you have to use await in his queries like this, if you are using a function and anything like this. So if you don't know about synchronization, you can learn from YouTube, or you can get articles on this. So I have put it await, and now if I put dot info, it is again okay. I have not saved this, so I have to save and run it again. And dot info. Okay, now you can see this is all information of my account, my number, my name, my last name, first name, username, bought, deleted, mutual contact, or other things, expiry date, or all these things, photo big. You can get these things and print it out, and you can also get information like this. After it, you can also get the all dialogues of your all the conversations you have done with anyone. So let me inform and say here inform conversations, put here conversations. Okay, and see what I will do. First of all, let's change the name because we cannot give the same name to all functions. So info and con कर देता हूँ उसको, info con, and now I will remove this line and put a for loop for dialog in iter in sorry client dot iter underscore dialogs, and I will print the dialog dot name and plus has id plus str, and the dialog dot let's say id. So I will stop this and run this again, and it's an error. I will remove this and put here proceed or put p only. I don't want to waste my time. So if I put here dot info or enter dot info conversation, okay, you can see here what is okay, because this is checking for info, so therefore it is replying to this. So I think I have to change this to only conversation dot conversation. Okay, it's not replying. Let me see why it is not working. Dot conversation. I think I have spelled wrong here. I think I have this function. I think okay, here it is. Okay, so I have spelled wrong. It's the dialogues. I have spelled the spelling of dialogues. So I will change this. Okay, now it's good. Now it will work. Okay. Conversation, and it's again not doing anything. Okay, dialog dot name plus has id str dialog dot id. What is the problem for dialog in okay, I have to use asynchronous here. Okay, that's a problem. So here you can see I have put it asynchronous here. This is the problem, and now if I run this, hopefully it has to run. Okay, it's working. You will get more errors in your programs because errors never finish. Okay, so here you can see I have conversation with AK Hacker and other illegal hacker 7 community program for hack and all the IDs of them. So you can also fetch the username. I think if I say username, if all of them have a username, it will print okay, because all of the groups don't have a username, because some of these are private, so therefore it is not working. So it will be fine. So you can also send through this by replying it again and again. So I don't want to reply it again and again, and I think the video is going long, so let's see more about it. So here how you can send message, I think I will cover it in next video because it will take time, and after it raw text. Oh yes, this is the thing. You can, so let's see. Okay, so first of all let's create another duplicate function and name it as let's name it as text, and after text it will be anything, and change name to texting. Remove this and uncomment this. Now what you can do, you can get the message text of the message. So how you can get this, you have to event, you have to access event, then in events you have message, and in message you have raw underscore text. So run this and put dot text hi bro, and here you can see dot text hi bro, it is giving us the text we are entering here. And one thing more, I will remove this all and I will comment this. And if you are not getting, if you want to get things from your message, then how you can get things in your message, you have to print event. It will tell you everything about that, so you can fetch information from there. So if I put here dot text hi, and you can see it has returned me a new message dot event, and the origin update, and the message id to id, and user id and date, and everything. Message out is equal to true means that it's outgoing message, it's not incoming message. I will tell you about this also in next videos. And everything you can also see from schedule. You can set schedule to your telegram message, so it's telling you that it is not scheduled message. Okay, so you can also get more things like this forward from, it is not forwarded message, so therefore it is none here. And you will get more things about this, but I think this is enough for this video, and I will again undo this and remove this. Okay, so I think this is enough about this video. I will also tell more about this in next videos. Meet you in next video, and if you like my content, then you can subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.